Kamdhenu The Crown, Redefining Luxury Living. Welcome to a new chapter in luxury living. Presenting Kamdhenu The Crown by Kamdhenu Developers, a landmark project that redefines elegance, comfort, and convenience right here on the iconic Palm Beach Road. Hi everyone, I'm your name, and today I'm here to tell you all about Kamdhenu The Crown, a dream residence that offers the perfect blend of luxury and lifestyle. Whether you're looking for spacious living, unmatched amenities, or excellent connectivity, this project has it all, so let's dive in. Located on Palm Beach Road, Kamdhenu The Crown places you at the heart of it all. With seamless connectivity to major hubs, you'll enjoy the convenience of city living while being surrounded by peaceful scenic views. Every home at Kamdhenu The Crown is a masterpiece, from 2 BHK apartments starting at Rs2, 59 crore to luxurious 5 BHK residences with pricing on request. These homes are designed to elevate your lifestyle. Living here means enjoying the best-in-class amenities, from a fully equipped fitness center to lush landscaped gardens, a luxurious pool, and dedicated play areas for kids. With Kamdhenu The Crown, you're not just investing in a home, you're becoming a part of this trusted legacy of timely delivery, exceptional craftsmanship, and a commitment to sustainable living. Prime location on Palm Beach Road. Spacious residences with elegant layouts, 2 BHK, 3 BHK, and 5 BHK options. World-class amenities for a complete lifestyle. A trusted legacy of quality since 1955. Maharera registration for a secure investment. Ready to elevate your lifestyle? Kamdhenu The Crown is your gateway to luxury living on Palm Beach Road. Contact us today for more details or book a visit to experience it for yourself. Don't forget to like this video, share it with friends, and subscribe to our channel for more updates on exclusive real estate projects. See you in the next one.